Yes, my wonderful people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. My people, as much as how we try to make that disconnection there from certain things when we go foreign as Jamaica, there is always something to bring you back right in it. You have a thing with happen in Orange County, New York, right? With the Jamaican food truck. And people, when me look upon it, me see how much people need a little chance for have all a food truck in a foreign and I run it off and provide good, nice Jamaican food. But to our surprise, when that news a break, it was in fact meant to be a Jamaican food truck business. But instead, you go there for your box food and a white powder you are getting ahí. And GUN. Some big fat shoes you are getting ahí too. With some woolly pacan. How does that look on our little island? And I know just on the island alone, me I go tell you now what the residents at the place where them particular people there come from. Where did I do that? I say, because the police them in a Orange County, the sheriff office in a New York, say them arrest over 30 people and ammunition and firearm and white powder also seized. Them say it was a very sophisticated operation running from that Jamaican food truck. Remember me tell you. But first, let me tell you what the people they must say. They must say the residents of Maxfield Avenue in a Kingston come like a deso. The youth will run off the thing come from. The people them express surprise at one of their own who got the opportunity to live in the American dream. But instead, according to United States authorities, ran afoul of the law in a major GUN and DRUG running operation from a food truck. The Orange County Sheriff Office in New York said the epic center of the illicit trade, such and such person who was 42-year-old, is one of the 30 persons arrested in an operation dubbed At Lunch. At Lunch they call the operation, my people. Right? And this is what the people them of Maxfield Avenue say. Them not support him, you know. Them say them can't believe him get the chance to go foreign and go get mixed up in a certain thing like that. Enough man mix up in a things like them there, you know. But when you run it to a certain scale, you know say them under your skin. And remember, foreign police work different from Jamaica police. Foreign police will watch you for years and make you do your thing. And just when you think say you're safe and so on, bite you. Bite you. Jamaica police, them a rush after you and get your antenna up long time. So how will they go do you nobody do it or something? So Jamaica police mash up all the plan before them can even get more people or get the bigger people them involved. Foreign police no work so. We are going to jump in it. Document file state that the man supplied with quantity of white powder by two different narcotic suppliers to distribute from his food truck. So he have some bigger heads where you provide him with whatever them are provide him with. If you run from the food truck. Brother, you know, could I sell some festival dumpling and some jerk chicken, brother? And some porridge and cup of soup, brother. You're in a busy place, brother. Waiting I go on good, my lad. Jaja no man. He also supplied firearm to resell in Orange County. During the operation, law enforcement agents seized 24 firearm and 1 kilogram of white powder. A wally. That you know me people? You hear me I say? On the day of the enforcement action, May 21st, police also recovered over 11 kilograms of white powder, approximately 90 grams of fentanyl, whatever they call them one day. 7 GUNS. High capacity magazines, numerous rounds of ammunition and approximately US $45,000, as well as scales and packaging material used in narcotics trafficking, and 10 vehicles used for distribution. A big sitting them around, man. And I don't play nothing go on so. District attorney said the money generated move around with ease. No problem for the money where they make for move around, launder the money. It was invested in real estate properties and crypto and properties in Orange County and other things. The man say, whoa. Investigators say the illicit business raked in $3 million US per year, and many undercover police officers made purchase, and a yes of foreign work different. All the way them a sell, all the way them a do, them no know say a undercover buy. Undercover buy the strap them, undercover buy the white powder, undercover police did it every months a buy and them no know. Them not have a clue. It me a try show you. It me a try show you a suffering police work. Them could all make them run all 1 2 years with these and no bite them, you know. Just to make them build up and get bigger and bigger and feel so them get way. Brother, me feel it still, me not lie. And this make it even look worse upon Jamaican. Right now, all the rest of man them in where I run off a Jamaica food truck now, or a little Jamaica food stall, police are going to torment them. Police are going to torment them in a foreign, believe. If convicted, the suspect could face up to 25 years in prison. One of the time, them even said the food truck was located in a Broadway in Newburgh, across from City Center, which house office of the mayor, but was relocated and something. You understand me? I say? So, when you look on them thing, man, you have to say, Jaja no star. Jaja no. What make a man even go get himself in a this spot, man, and make a thing go so, man? You understand me? I say? Right now, even the people them from film community say, cause I hear what them a say now. Them a say, I'm father for him and him two brother, you know. Yeah, man, them a say, I'm father for him and him two brother, them. For him and him brother. Actually, him father for him and him brother, cause him father must be a soldier in a foreign. And brother, enough man get the chance to go a foreign, you know, brother. And mash you up, you know, because of greed, you know. Me know say certain money are quick money and every man want to live certain fast life, but you can go foreign and work hard to and make your money, brother. And if you can go to the extent of having a food truck and owning a food truck, you could have make money. Probably you know nothing like what you are making at them 3 million a year and them something there. But you will make a money if you live, my lad. And you're honest bread. And you would not go look for up to 25 years in a prison right now. Youths, me I tell you no. You so no get a bus figure of foreign. Foreign is a tricky place. Whole heap of money they are foreign, you know. And you can go in enough things of foreign to make the money come fast too. But you can, your life can be short-lived. And you can spend the rest of your life in prison. So let me tell you this, when you go foreign, you better you work your honest bread. Work your honest bread. And satisfy with the liquor where you get. And don't make the fast life catch up and dry you out, youth. Remember when J Progress tell you that. Believe. One J Progress Entertainment, me people. Believe no man. You don't have to ask nobody nothing. And nobody now have to tell you nothing. A one J Progress Entertainment. Believe.